right, in the last video we talked about getting mouse clicks. So wouldn't it be cool if we could draw circles, right, where somebody clicked? Circles that say have a radius, say of, I don't know, 30. Okay, so I'm going to leave the print statement here because we could still do that. And what if here I said create a circle, okay, whose center point, okay, is P. Okay, remember that's a point and those circles have a radius of 30. So I added one line of code there, okay, circ equals circle P comma 30. And now I need to take that circle and draw it on the window, okay? So let's do that. Run module, and haha, circles, bubbles, or whatever you want to call them, right? So there are our circles, and they drew there, okay? So that's pretty cool, right? So let me show you one more thing, and I'm just going to live on the edge here. There is a random function, and I'm going to try to find it here. Python random int. Okay, it's called integer in range. Okay, and I want to be able to generate a random number for the radius. Okay, so let me just see what's going on here. I think there is. I know it's a lot of, how would you call it? A lot of, highly, pro stuff here, but just bear with it. So rand int, which says return a random integer n such that a is less than or equal to n or is less than to equal to b. Okay, so what I'm going to do, okay, is I'm going to go back to my code here, and I'm going to say import random. That happens to be the library name. And then I'm going to generate a random num, and I'm going to say that that random num is generated using the random library and the rand integer function. And it says starting, and I'll make the smallest value for that random integer we're going to generate as 5, and the largest, let's say 100. Okay? And I'm going to replace this hard-coded 30 right here with that new random num. Okay? So let's run this and see what we get. Let's see if it blows up. There's one. Oh, look at that. See, now we're getting, okay, we are getting random size circles. So how about that? I'll leave that code up there for you. Hit pause. And I hope you enjoyed learning a little bit about the random library. Okay, we're right here with this generate a random number between 5 and 100. And how to draw circles, right? Using the point that someone clicked at and a number, a radius, okay? And then, of course, drawing them on the window.